What is it about feet? Why are they so darn sexy? Even Sigmund Freud had a bit of a foot fetish, describing the toes in terms of curves and cleavages, and imagining the foot as a phallus and the slipper as a symbol of the female genitalia. Actually, genitals and feet have a lot in common. They're neural neighbors. Nerve endings from our feet and pubic areas are connected to the neocortex of the brain in an area called the parietal sensory strip. Sensory impulses from the feet arrive here, and right beside this area, sensations from the genitals are received and coded. Scientists speculate that sometimes couriers from the feet and genitals get confused, and regions of the sensory strip end up receiving and reading each other's mail. But it's more complicated than that. Dr. Paul Fedorovs says there are other pathways in the brain that overlap.
We do know that there are neural pathways in the subcortical area of the brain which are involved in self-stimulation activities or repetitive activities.
It's thought that people with fetishes have a sort of short-circuiting of this system, and they get stuck in the pre-arousal stage. They require something more to stimulate them enough to reach orgasm. And for many, that extra little kick comes from fondling feet.
Hand fetishists are very rare. Foot fetishists are very common in the fetish world. That is sexual arousal from feet in and of themselves.
In fact, almost a third of all known body fetishes involve feet. But get this, it's not just because they look good, it's also because of the way they smell. That's right, foot odor, along with other distinctive smells, is what makes a foot fetish a turn-on. And if you have an extreme interest in feet, get used to it, because it's likely to be with you for the rest of your life.
People with foot fetishes do not extinguish the interest. It's more complicated than a simple Pavlovian conditioning.